Hello and welcome back to our series. In this video we are going to do some indexing here, reindexing here. First of all, we will import pandas as pd. Let's wait for this. Now I will make this s1 is equal to pd dot series. I will make a series. Let's make here 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 4 elements and with index is equal to, I will pass the index 5, 4, 3, 2 and 4, 2. This is the index here. Let's see what we get. This is the arrangement of data, but if I want to change this index, then how could I change? Let's change that index. This is simply by making index, and here we have to pass is equal to, and I want to make a B, C, sorry for this, C and D, and let's enter and print S1. Now if you could see that our series has get a new index. In other method you can make the dynamic also. This is also, but this will change our series index, but if you don't want to change that index, then you can make that. Let's make s2 is equal to s1 dot reindex, and we should pass the parameter here. Let's pass, suppose I will pass p Q R and yes, we should have same element as this, so that we could get. Let's print s2 and you will get, sorry for this, and you will get non-value. Why you are getting this non-value? Because in the video, in the above series we have not declared abcd, because we are getting in this s2 variable, we are getting the index of this s1, so we can get like this. I will make halfly by s1 dot reindex, and here I will pass A comma B and comma C, and I will pass, suppose, where is that, and I will pass S here, and let's make S2 print. Now it is giving a same value above like this, what we are getting from above. This is because from this we can know that this s2 variable will reindex, means it will get the index of s1 with the same index we are passing here, not other index. Here we are passing s, and it is giving us non-value. In this video we are also going to do some making some index more greater, and here first of all I will insert some value. For inserting we have to type all the series here. Let's copy this, sorry for this, and copy and paste here. Let's make this as a 50, 60, 70 and 80. and let's make 1. Suppose here we will start from 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Let's make it ABCD. A B C, sorry for this, D E F G H, and sorry, this is only there are 8 elements and we have make the 8. This is how we can make this element, and let's print this, and we are getting all the element A to L. Now for we can delete some element from here, and you can see how we can delete this like this. We can say delete, and we can pass here simply value S1, and we can pass the index here. Let's make this, sorry for this, delete and S1. Again I was doing mistake here, and let's print here. As it has been deleted the A, and I will print S1 and get B C D E F G H has been remaining. Now if I want to print some values, first of all I will make same here. Suppose I want to print same value here, some value. Suppose I want to print this 4 value. We have already made that by head, but another method we can make is that simply we can pass S1, and head method is so something like boring. I will start from 0 and I will end up to 3, means n minus 1. This is 0 1 2, means it will run up to 3 minus 1, means this will be up to n minus 1, means what we enter minus 1, and this is the step, how many steps you want to print. This is giving more ABC. Let's make and change the step. If you have watched my for loop, there we can make that for I in range 0, 4, 5. Suppose 2 3 we are giving for printing the multiple of some number easily. Here I am printing with 2 and C. Here we are getting 10 and 30. How we are getting this? And here first of all it has printed 0, it should go up to second position 0 1 2, and it cannot go up more than 3 second position, and it will print like this. It will print first and it will escape 1, means it will add 2 position. We normally print by adding 1 plus 1 position, but in this condition we will add plus 2 condition because we have gave this condition. Let's try with minus 1 S1, and what we will get here, we will know the result 3, and I will print with minus 1, and let's see that it is giving me series with data type and nothing is giving me. It should give yes, it is not giving me any value here. Now we can likewise we can print as, sorry for this, S1 dot 2, and we can print all. means after second position it will print this is 0th position and this is first position, means it will be work with 1 n minus 1 and it is printing all, means it will take second position. After second position it is means it is from second position, means this is 0 1 2, this is print from second position and this means up to last position. And here S1 and we can print likewise up to last, up to second position, or we will make this up to -2, means it is printing up to minus second position. Same wise we can print up to 4th position and we can make this like this, means it is printing 1 2 3 4 up to 4 it is making. -2 means last 2 position, and this is how we can print this in this series. Now I want to print some values like this. I will index S1 and I will print this up to -2 with the difference of 2, and we will get A, C and E, means it is adding 1 position, it is leaving B and D here. Let's make this same position like this. What we will get here, -2 position with -2. Let's see, we will get at 80. What is 80? We will know. This is the ya's position, and we have make this -2 here. This is the -2, means this is the -2nd position, and it is giving me again -2nd position to 80. This is how we can print these values here. In the next video we will do some arithmetic operation in this series and we'll move to data frame. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay with us to know more. Please don't skip any content from here so that you would get all the knowledge. Thank you for watching.